Hi, I'm Jack, and I use Proloquo2go with my son Jake to help him communicate. And when we first started, we thought, wow, this is such a great, powerful program. But it wasn't that personal to him until we started using buttons that had specific personal pictures on them he could recognize. I'm going to show you in this video a quick and easy way to grab people or items from pictures and place them onto custom buttons within Proloquo2go, like this one. So you can create buttons that have pictures of family or friends or their favorite food or favorite toy, anything that could possibly help them communicate. Here's how. Okay, first find the image that you want to add and save it to your photos on your iPhone or your iPad. I'll use this picture of our dog Brandy because she's a pretty girl. Now, next you think about sizing, because Brandy is pretty tall in this picture and the size of a button in Proloquo2go may be fairly small on your grid. So if I try to get her full body in here, it's going to be pretty small. I think I need to crop this and just capture her upper body or her head. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up to the ellipsis, the three dots in the top right corner here, and tap this. And I'm going to choose to duplicate my picture because maybe I don't want to mess with my original, and I'm going to do that when I crop this. So I'll move over to the duplicate I've made, and then I can tap on Edit in the upper right. And then over on the left-hand side tools, I've got a crop button. And this is in your standard picture editing within the iPad. And then I'm going to crop this photo. Let's get this to be just Brandy's upper head here. That looks good. All right, great. So now I've got a cropped picture of Brandy, and I'll hit the Done button, the yellow button on the upper right. And now another built-in feature in Windows, I can select, just tap on this picture, so I've got the full picture, and then I'm going to hold my finger down on her head, and you see how that outline kind of zoomed around there. That's the copy that I'm looking for. If I release my finger, I can choose the copy button, and it's basically copied her outline without the background. Now I can go to Proloquo2go, and this is my family page, so this is going to be a good place to add her picture. I'm going to tap the pencil icon in the bottom toolbar, and I've got an option, a plus option and a plus folder option. So I'm going to use the larger plus on the left side, tap that, and then I'll type in Brandy and say done on that. Now over on the left-hand side under Basics, I'm going to scroll up here till I get to word kind. And right now it says noun thing. If I tap on that, I'm going to scroll down here, and I think of Brandy as a noun person, not a noun thing. And then on the left-hand side, I'll scroll back up and tap Basics, and that'll get me back to where I can see the button. Now I'm going to tap the Edit for this Brandy button, and because I just copied that image, it's still in the memory, and I can choose to paste a picture. If the last action I took was not a copy, the paste would not show. But since it does, I'm just going to paste, and it'll ask me if I want to allow it to paste, and I will say yes, allow paste. And there's Brandy right in the picture. I can tap the Done button on the upper right, and now I can say I love Brandy. And there's her picture, nice and clear without any background. So that's how you add a custom picture in Proloquo2go. I hope you find that pretty easy. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And please let me know if there's anything else you need help with Proloquo2go that I can cover in more of these videos. Take care.